Two popular security cams on the market. One burning question. Which one truly protects your home? On the left, Blink, famous for its long-lasting battery power and simple setup. On the right, Wyze, a feature-packed smart cam built for any budget. Let's skip the marketing hype and jump straight into real-world results. We'll score each category head-to-head so you can see exactly which camera wins your trust in 2025. The final verdict might surprise you. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to break down these two underdog brands across all the stuff that really matters. Price, battery life, image and video quality, smart features, smart home compatibility, storage and local access, ecosystem and accessories, and weather and durability. Yep, strap in. We're looking at everything. First up, let's talk price. So Blink is pretty affordable when you compare it to like big name security setups. No annual contracts or anything. To be honest, that's kind of refreshing, right? But there's a catch. Want to store your videos in the cloud? Yeah, you'll need a subscription. Now, with Wyze, this is where things get wild. Their prices? Some of the absolute lowest you'll find. Like, you can get a Wyze Cam V3 for under $40, and you're still getting a laundry list of features. Sure, some of those fancy AI goodies need a subscription, but honestly, for the basics, it's insanely budget-friendly. So price-wise, I'm giving it to Wyze. Next, and you know what? This is a biggie, battery life. Blink practically flexes here. We're talking up to 2 years. Yep, years on just two AA batteries, if you keep the video quality reasonable. So if you're kind of lazy, no judgment, this is a total win. The trade-off? That max battery life does mean dialing down the video quality. Wyze? Okay, so their Cam Outdoor can do about 6 months, which is, fine, but not epic. Most Wyze cams actually need to be plugged in, and honestly, the battery models just don't compete here. So, hands down, Blink is your battery champ. On to image and video quality. Blink, you're getting solid HD resolution and really crisp outdoor clips, which is super nice for an entry-level cam. But here's where things slip. Its night vision and dynamic range are not exactly thrilling. Switch over to Wyze and wow, things get spicy. The color night vision? Legit impressive. New Wyze Cam V4s push into 2K HDR, and even their regular models nail clarity in all sorts of lighting. Some of the cheapest Wyze cams are just 1080p, but overall, Wyze wins for quality. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Blink cameras can legit run for up to 2 years on just two AA batteries? You don't even have to mess with wires. That's minimal effort, maximum vibes. Now let's nerd out about smart features. Blink does a respectable job. Custom motion zones, easy Alexa tie-in. It's pretty easy to set up and forget. The thing is, if you want AI features, yeah, it's mostly a paywall situation. Wyze, honestly, is like the try-hard overachiever here. You're getting person, animal, even package detection if you fork out for a plan. CamPan even gives you full 360-degree pan and motion tracking, which is kind of wild for the price. Full suite of features does mean you need Wyze Cam Plus, but if you're chasing those bells and whistles, Wyze takes it. All right, smart home compatibility. Blink, you're obviously looking at Alexa, Amazon's baby. It works with a handful of third-party systems through IFTTT, which is nice, but honestly, if you're using Google Home or Apple HomeKit, sorry, no luck. Now, Wyze goes wider. Alexa? Check. Google Home? Yup. Basically, if you've already got other smart gear kicking around, Wyze slides in with less hassle. Apple HomeKit. Still a no-go for both, so you're out of luck there. But overall, Wyze just fits right into more smart homes. Let's talk about storage and local access. Blink offers some straightforward cloud options, 30 to 60 days if you pay a few bucks a month, but, and it's a big but, no built-in local storage. That's kind of a bummer, right? Wyze wins here with free cloud storage for 14 days on select models, which is always nice, plus the microSD card slot on most Wyze cams. Means you can store video locally without paying that monthly fee. Sure, their best features are wrapped into the Cam Plus plan, but seriously, that local storage is clutch. Jumping into ecosystem and accessories. Blink's more the lone wolf. Standalone cameras, links up with Amazon's wider security family, but no full Blink security system or crazy accessories. Wyze, though? There's practically too much going on. home monitoring systems, smart locks, sensors, bulbs, and all sorts of extras. If you want an ecosystem where every gadget talks to each other, Wyze is built for you. So, if you like having options, maybe too many, Wyze wins. Weather and durability, because no one wants a soggy, dead camera. Blink is IP65, IP66 rated, weather-resistant, super small, and honestly easy to hide outdoors. Not exactly tank-level durable, but you're not buying pro gear here. WyzeCam V4 steps it up to IP67, so rain and snow? No problem. Some WyzeCams are only meant for indoors, just a heads up. But overall, both are tough enough for normal life. Tie on this one. If you geek out over charts, the numbers don't lie. Wyze takes the lead in price, image quality, smart features, compatibility, storage, and has a serious ecosystem. Blink absolutely rules battery life and keeps up in the weather department. But yeah, overall, Wyze checks more boxes. So in the end, which one's right for you? If you want the most features, best smart home integration, and, let's be real, killer image quality on the cheap, Wyze is the move. But if you just want something simple that you set and forget for, like, literal years, Blink's unbeatable for that battery life. I mean, how many gadgets do you own that last 2 years on AA's? Exactly. Like this face-off? Hit that follow. I'm here for the simple, honest tech breakdowns. Stay secure and, hey, make smart choices for your